Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the GUTINNEEN Shed Outdoor Storage, an upgraded garden shed with a durable metal frame and wooden structure that ensures unparalleled stability and long-lasting durability against various weather conditions. This outdoor storage cabinet features adjustable storage space with 3 shelves for small items and a large space for long tools, allowing you to personalize the interior to suit your needs. Designed with a water-resistant sloped roof and a raised wooden floor, this shed prevents water accumulation and ingress, ensuring a dry and secure storage environment for your gardening essentials and outdoor equipment. With its ample 2.5 by 1.4 foot storage space, you can keep your area organized and clutter-free, making it a practical solution for any outdoor setting. The perfect size of 16.5 inches deep, 36.8 inches wide, and 67.1 inches high allows you to hide messy garden tools without taking up too much space. Whether placed in the garden, patio, deck, porch, or garage, this versatile storage shed is designed to fit seamlessly into any environment. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.